Hello my loves and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make AQUA FABA chickpea whipped cream. The ingredients you'll be needing for this are chickpeas, also known as garbanzos. I'm using the organic ones. Powdered sugar, I'm using cane sugar. And vanilla extract. Step 1, you want to strain your chickpeas. For step 2, you want to take the AQUA FABA, also known as chickpea water, and start whisking till you get a thick consistency, and this might take around 5 to 20 minutes. And remember to be patient because like I said, this might take around 20 minutes. For step 3, you want to add 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar and gradually whisk. Step 4, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and keep on whisking. Step 5, whisk for 3 minutes and you are finally done. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment what you think about it and let me know how it turned out. If you happen to make it, please share it on your story. I would be so happy to see you make this delicious whipped cream. Just tag me and I will be happy to repost it on my story.